Hello friends, it's Anwesh and I welcome you to Video Sales Factory. I'm going to give you a very short presentation on how exactly Video Sales Factory works. But then, just to let you know, we already have a demo link down there. So you can just click on the link and you will have the admin access and you can actually check the entire software which is hosted on our server at this point of time and see how it exactly works. Right? So let's get straight to the point because I cannot really make this video very long because YouTube is not going to allow me to have a long video, right? So let me just try to make it as short as possible for you guys. So here we go. So we're gonna click on create new video. So I'm gonna get a project name. Now here you get two options basically, or you can do two things which you can choose to do. Number one is if you just want to create a video for a sales presentation, then you don't really have to add all these details because they are optional. But if you want to have a video squeeze page, then you need to add all the information over here. Alright, so I'm going to show you a video squeeze page because it's going to cover the video only creation as well. Alright, so let me just make the project's name an exclusive WSO presentation 1. I want to select a file. There's going to be the MP3 file which will play at the back end. It loads very quickly, though it depends upon the server speed as well. You're going to add a site title URL. I'm going to add videosalesfactory.com. Main headline, I'm just putting a great system that allows you to create awesome video squeeze pages. A subheadline, right? Then I'm going to add an opt-in form title. This is basically a call to action just above the opt-in form, and then here you can add the opt-in form code. I already have my Aweber up, so let me just go in and grab a code. Although let me tell you that you don't really have to have Aweber or GetResponse or any of these famous softwares or autoresponders. You can have any autoresponder because this is basically an HTML box code and you can add any opt-in form. Doesn't matter who your autoresponder is. Alright. Then here is the overall video graphical style. You can select from many styles which we have included already. Right. So I'm going to just keep it white for now. Then you have the overall typography. You can select some awesome text font combinations which we've already inserted. And then redirect URL, a very powerful feature. What redirect URL does is basically sends the video visitor to a page where you want them to go after the video ends. How powerful that is. Just imagine giving your affiliates their embed code with their affiliate ID in the redirect URL area, and when they promote the video, obviously after the video ends, the visitor gets to see their affiliate link, so they get really motivated. Your affiliates will be totally driven to start promoting your product because they're not really doing much work because everything is done at the back end, and they really think that you're doing a great job by having to create a great looking video for them, whereas the truth would be you're using our Video Sales Factory to create videos in minutes. That's it, right? So I'm going to add a redirect URL over here, Facebook like page, which is optional again. It's also a very powerful feature. I'm just going to add anything, just my site URL for now. Slide 1 is here, right? So I'm just going to go. I think I've already have something here in the Word, Microsoft Word for me. Alright, stop. So I'm just going to make it like this. Alright. Go to slide 2. Like I said, I'm going to keep this video very short, so I'm just adding basic stuff here. Just 2 slides for now, alright? And here is a very powerful feature again, the timestamp feature, where you can actually tell the software as to when you want the slide number 2 to pop after after the slide number 1. So you can actually define the length as to when you want the slide to appear on your screen in the video itself, right? So just imagine you can actually have a voiceover done at the back end, and then according to the voiceover you can add the slides so it just matches exactly what you're saying at the back end, which which looks really awesome and professional, and you can use it for many purposes, like a sales page or a presentation, a webinar, or webinar recording, or anything of that sort. All right, so that's pretty much it. Then you have animation type, the speed, slow, fast. Animation type is slide down, fade in. I'm gonna click on save and preview, and boom, that's it. We have our video code over here, and then we have the embed squeeze page code over here. So if you just want to have the video, you can just copy and paste this to wherever you want your video to appear is the embed code, and this is the squeeze page code, and you're all set to go. You don't really have to do anything any further. But if you want to actually check out the squeeze pages we have for you, which is inbuilt in the script, then you need to click this link over here that says view squeeze pages and code, and you'll be taken to this page where we already have all the squeeze pages all set for you, so you don't have to customize anything anymore. So let's say you like this squeeze page, right? Or let's say you like this squeeze page or this squeeze page. You can just go ahead and take this code and paste it to any website. You don't really have to maybe create this video squeeze page on the on the website or on the server where you have the script installed. If you want to have it on a different website altogether, you can do that. If you want to give this to your affiliates, if you want to give this to your virtual agents or whoever for that matter, it's your property, right? So you can just use this embed code to whatever you want to do. You're the sole owner of this code over here, which is a video. But if you really want to make it quick, and if you're comfortable having the website where the script is installed to have your video squeeze page, then you can just have this link. The link is also ready for you. So click on the link and boom, your video squeeze page is here, and everything is customized exactly the way you want it to be. This is your headline, this is your subheadline, this is a video with opt-in form, and it's all set to roll. Okay, that's it, and you can see all the other squeeze pages over here of different styles, which we have already created for you at the back end in the script itself. Check out this one. This is an awesome looking squeeze page. So that's pretty much about it. So as you can see, you just created awesome video with all the with everything you need. You just have a fully functional video squeeze page in front of you, and the video which you created from scratch in few minutes, if not seconds. Well, it took some seconds for me to create that, because I just created a dummy video for you, right? But if you want to have like multiple slides, if you want to add a long MP3 track at the back end, you can just do that. So basically it's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the presentation. Go ahead, grab it. You will not be disappointed. If you have any support issues or any suggestions or anything you need to tell us, just go ahead and send a support ticket. You just need to go to videosalesfactory.com/support, and you're done. And you can just submit a ticket, and we'll get back to you. Thank you very much once again for watching the video. Go ahead, take a wise decision. Bye. Take care.